Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am here with something brand new to my channel. And I need a haircut. Anyway, Lagom. They are a Swedish skincare company. Now, Lagom means not too much, not too little, just the right amount. That's what that means. Now, Lagom is, it's like a lifestyle for your skin. Let me read what they have. It is native skincare that restores your skin's organic state by providing essential ingredients, just as Swedish Lagom lifestyle maintains balance through the equilibrium of adding or removing. Now, their core benefit lies in the essential ingredients and minimalistic skincare principles. Only essential vegan ingredients are carefully being chosen to enable your skin to breathe through organically and revitalize natively. So, they let me choose. They reached out to me and asked me if I would feature them on my channel, and I said, of course. So they went ahead and had me choose something from their website. So I kind of had a hard time choosing. So I chose their travel kit. So here's their little travel kit. Let me get it out of this little bag. But how cute is that? I mean, the presentation so far, very, very nice. And it's in another plastic bag. Okay. So the travel kit comes in this vegan leather bag. I'm sure you can see the texture on it. There you go. Very simple, and it has their little logo on it. It's very soft, feels very nice. And here is our little travel set. And it has, here, let me get the things out. There's a card in here, so I'd like to read the card. That's what their products look like. Very nice, clean looking packaging. Replenish skin with maximum moisture and nutrients through minimum products and healthy ingredients. Lagom provides a scientific solution for those who long for naturally healthy skin. And it tells you all these different things about it. It's a lot. So let's see what I've got here. So I have the Cell Up Microfoam Cleanser. Let's see where that is on here. Here we go. This is a hydrating foam cleanser that neatly washes with rich and fine foam. Okay. And I have a Cell Up Gel to Water Cleanser. I like how you can see the product in the bottle. A hydrating morning cleanser that helps remove skin wastes and fill moisture with resilient hydrating gel, transforming into a watery texture. Okay. The next thing I'm pulling out is the Cellus Deep Moisture Cream. It's a hypoallergenic moisturizing cream that helps soothe skin, form a skin barrier while enhancing moisture from inside. And the last thing in my travel kit is the Mist Toner. This is a hydrating toner that blocks fine dust particles and controls pH levels. Okay, let's check this stuff out. It's a toner. That's a nice mist. Oh, it smells good. I don't think they put fragrance in. Oh, I can't see. I sprayed my glasses. Okay. But it smells very light, very fresh. It doesn't smell like there's anything in there. It's just a good natural product. Here is the Deep Moisture Cream. It does come sealed, but I am going to pop the top. We're going to put just a little bit on here. Feels nice and soft. It has like a citrus, a lemony smell. It smells good. Yeah, it smells like lemon to me. It's soaked right in. It feels very soft. So I will definitely be using that. And here is the foam cleanser. That is sealed. I'm not going to open the cleanser because I am using another cleanser right now. But I am going to be using these. And I'm going to come back and give everybody a review. And then the last thing is the gel to water cleanser. That's a strange... Find out how that works. So yeah, now because they reached out to me, they have been kind enough, let me get it, they have been kind enough to give you a discount code. It will save you 10% off of anything that you purchase. Just use the code CC24Shook and you will save 10% on any sales on any products, which sounds really good. And I will leave all of the information down below in the description box. I would like to thank Lagom for reaching out to me and giving my viewers an opportunity to save 10%. I really do appreciate it. I do hope you have a great day. I really appreciate you coming by, and I will see you soon.